Wheezy? Is that you?
Hey, Woody.
What are you doing up here? I thought Mom took you to get your squeaker fixed months ago. Andy was so upset.
Nah, she just told him that to calm him down, and then put me on the shelf.
Well, why didn't you yell for help?
Well, I tried squeaking, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me. Besides, the dust aggravates my condition. What's the point in prolonging the inevitable? We're all just one stitch away from here to there.
I've seen many things over the millennia, but not once have I met such foolhardy skeletons. You're coming with me, skinbag!
I'll always have my family. You ever hear of the shoulder touch?
What? Hey.
I found him!
Buster! Quiet down! Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, you can help take his paws off my pal.
I'll give you 50 cents for all this junk.
Oh, now, how did this get down
Hand her
here?
the sheriff. Nice and easy.
Very well. $5.
I'm sorry, it's an old family toy.
No!
Now just walk away.
Wait,
The other way.
I'll give you $50 for it.
$50 ain't bad.
It's not for sale.
Everything's for sale. Or trade. You like my watch?
Sorry.
He's safe.
Way to go, Andy's move!
All right, she showed him.
Lady,
Molly, don't touch that, sweetie.
lady. Oh.
Yeah, go home, Mr. Fancy Car.
Hold on.
What's up?
Molly.
What is it, Buzz?
Molly, I'm right there, sweetie.
What's happening down there?
What's he doing?
I can't watch. Can someone cover my eyes?
Oh, no, he's stealing Woody.
What?
Stealing?
He can't take Woody. It's illegal.
Where's he going?
Do something.
Get him, Buzz.
Okay, where's the red jack?